how to use left to right subtraction. Now, this is best explained actually if I show you the traditional right to left method of subtraction, which I will show you here, versus how to do it with the other one. You'll see that this one is actually quite a bit cleaner. This one will be our right to left, which is the same way that one would read. So let's do the traditional way with this question. So the first thing you would do is 4 subtract 9. You can't do that because 9's bigger, so you gotta borrow, okay? So, oh, I can't borrow from that one because there's nothing there, so I gotta borrow from this one. So this one becomes a 1, this one becomes a 10, but I have to borrow that, so I have to cross it out, and it actually becomes a 9, and then this one becomes 14. Okay, 14 minus 9, okay? That's gonna give you 5, and I've done that. Now, 9 minus 6, that equals 3. 1 minus 8, can't do that, so I actually have to borrow. So this crosses off, this becomes a 2, and this brings them into an 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3, okay? And then you have to look up here. 2 minus 1 is 1. And that will give us our final answer, okay? Now, let's go over here and let's do left to right. Now, I'm still gonna have to do some borrowing, but it's gonna be left to right, all right? So, I'm gonna start here and do 3 minus 1. I can do that, no problem. 2. 2 minus 8, I can't do that. So I'm actually gonna borrow from the answer. I'm gonna put a minus 1 here. That's gonna turn into 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, okay? Good. 0 minus 6, can I do that? No, I gotta borrow, but I'm borrowing from the answer. I'm gonna put minus 1 here. Now I got 10 minus 6, okay? 10 minus 6 is 4. Last one, 4 subtract 9. I can't do that, gotta borrow. Subtract from the answer again. And I keep doing this because, that's subtract 1. I keep doing this because I'm subtracting from the place value, right? So this one, I'm borrowing from the place value of the 10s, which is the 4. So, I'm gonna borrow that again. That turns into 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, excellent. And I did not line these up very well. So I am going to rewrite these just so they're lined up a bit better. Excellent. So now I'm done. I'm done most of my math, and the rest is easy, okay? I just have to add up these columns. 5, 3, 4, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1. It's the same answer, 1,335, same from left to right. The difference is, I find this a lot cleaner if you line it up properly in the right columns, as in any column mathematics. But this one, there's a lot of borrowing, and you're not always aware of the place value so much. I find the advantage to this one is the students need to know their place values a little more, and it's a little simpler. There's way less of a mess. You don't have these numbers changing once or twice, depending on how many times you borrow from them. And it's generally easier to troubleshoot to see what they did wrong. So this is your left to right method of subtraction, and this is your right to left. Traditional method, new method.